The Kersawag is probably as good as any art centre you'd get in Scotland or even Britain. The facilities for artists and students is very good. You have like printing facilities, you have photographic facilities, video, and there's studio space available. And with that, you have a really good cafe, and you also have a very good museum exhibition space, which is very popular. They managed to kind of take exhibitions to the Kersawag from all over Scotland that are produced by very well-known artists, and they also have exhibitions by local artists. And the museum puts on very good exhibitions, local and national too. The Kersawag runs some art courses, and the facilities are as good as anywhere in that they bring home very well-known tutors from all over the country, and they also have their own tutors which are excellent too. And the kind of courses that they do provide are quite often environmentally based, which means that the place is very appropriate for that. It's appropriate because a lot of the work is done in the environment itself. The environment, landscapes and seascapes, and the environment is used. The Kersawag is very important to Lochmaddy and also to the youths on the whole, because they offer a service. They offer a service to artists, to people who are interested in history, genealogy, and they've just provided lots of jobs for the community, and it brings in a lot of tourists and a lot of people and artists who want to exhibit there.